Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Theta. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of Theta was dropped down. In fact, for a while, we also broke down this very long-term support of 70 cents. But at the same time, stochastic was extremely oversold. Therefore, I was telling you that now there is a probability for a price correction to the upside. And you can see that this is, by the way, a very powerful reversal. And we have broken out this resistance of 70 cents. And we've also broken out another resistance of 90 cents as well. That was previously breaking as a support here. If I remove this trend line, then you can see that we had a nice bounce from this 90-cent support here. And before that, for several weeks, it had been breaking as support here, resistance here. And now again, after this breakout, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Theta. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel that is happened here on the 7 days time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this the trade setup for ARC, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 12th of April. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive pump, by the way. Now let's move to the live chart of data. And here you can see that here we broke down a small channel that is, by the way, more visible on the daily time frame chart. This was the channel. And after the breakdown, we had a big drop, and for a while we also broke down this very long-term support of 70 cents. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 70 cents has been previously breaking at a very strong resistance here. You can see. Let me to show this support and resistance. From here, you can see that we had few rejections here, and before that was breaking as a support here. We had a nice bounce, and therefore now this time, it can again work as a strong support because we have again broken it out, and after the breakout, it can be flipped into a nice support. And this 90 cents resistance can also act as a strong support. By the way, this 90 cents was previously working as support here for several weeks, a month. And again, it can work as strong support for the price line of Theta. By the way, here we have also broken out this quite long-term down channel on the daily time frame chart that is by the way more visible. This was the channel, not this one, this previous one. And the technical target for this breakout is here at the top of the channel at approximately $3.78. And if the price and reaches there, then we can also break out this very long-term resistance zone as well. That starts from $2.25 and goes to $2.55. That had been working as a very strong support zone here. And after the breakdown here, by the way, it was flipped into a resistance zone. And now again, it is working as a strong resistance for the price line of Theta. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel, that target will be here at the top of the channel. That is somewhere between $16 to $20. So this also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.